Hey guys, Steven Gonzalez here. We were out looking at properties this week and we came across this very interesting home in the College area. It's a 4-bedroom, 2-bath, close to 1,600 square feet, completely remodeled. It's a really amazing home, very close to the college. It would make a really great place to live with a good floor plan. Has a completely remodeled kitchen, all quartz, new cabinets, appliances, farmhouse sink. And all of the original touches like the exposed wood beam ceiling that was touched up and the open floor plan, which really kind of adds to the character of the home. As we head to the bed and bathroom side, you can see that the bathrooms have been completely remodeled as well. Dual sinks, very high ceilings, with the same exposed wood as we saw in the living room area. The first bedroom on our trip is this front bedroom. Exposed wood as well, completely remodeled, all new stucco, new carpeting, new windows. You can tell it's a pretty nice sized room. Very bright from the outside in. Shared with the bathroom again. Second bedroom's also a pretty good layout, nice and bright. Nice high ceilings really kind of give the room a nice open feel. We're making our way down the hallway to the third bedroom, which would be great for an office or maybe a nursery. Has a really nice storage area with the same beautiful wood. A lot of character. And now we head over to the master suite. Very nice, large, open room. About a full wall of closet space, which is great. Kind of helps you get a lot of room for your storage. And this one will fit a king-size bed. And the beautifully updated attached bath as well. The beautiful quartz again. A brand new beautiful tile in the showers. Completely renovated and updated. Makes for a perfect master bedroom. We have some hall storage here. Now let's take a look at the backyard. It's a nice pergola. With a grass turfy area. Perfect for entertaining. Be like a dog run here on the side. With the tankless water heater you can see in the distance. very tranquil, very relaxing area. Such an open floor plan, which is really nice. It's a really great entertaining home. You can see it takes a really good use of the space. And those vaulted ceilings really help just kind of bring a character to the house. Thanks for taking the tour of this amazing home. 4 bedrooms, 2 baths here in the College area. It's priced to sell at $750,000, and it's just going to be a beautiful home for someone to live in. If you'd like to take a look at it, please give me a call, 619-886-6833. Thanks. I'll talk to you soon.